You want to solve a Rubik Cube? I show it to you in 7 steps. For more overview, I show with the letters which layer I rotate. The normal letters stands for clockwise rotation and the letters with an apostrophe for counterclockwise. Maybe I'm too fast or slow for you. To fix that, use the speed controller in the settings. Step 1. The first step is to do the white cross. The easiest way is that the edge is already in the right position, or you only have to rotate the upper layer that the colors on the sides match. If not, look on the bottom. All the white edges can be easily rotated to the upper layer. Look that the position match with the colored sides. When the white edges are in the middle layer, you maybe bring them to the bottom. And are the white edges at the bottom layer, but in front of you, you only have to do the following. Front, up, right, up. The second step. For the next step, you rotate the cube that the white cross is at the bottom layer. And now you're solving the corners from the white side. This step always brings the corner to the bottom layer. Attention that the two colors are the right one for this corner. 3 different positions are possible for the corner. Position 1. The white side looks to the right. Right, up, right. Position 2. The white side looks to the front. Front, up, front. If a corner hangs in the bottom layer, bring it up as follows. And the last position, the white side looks up. Right, up, up, right, up, right, up, right. Now you have a white side and the bottom layer is also finished. Step 3. Bring the edge either to the left or to the right side. If an edge is sticking in the second layer, exchange it with a yellow one. For moving this piece to the left, use up, left, up, left, up, front, up, front. And when you wanna move the piece to the right, use up, right, up, right, up, front, up, front. Step 4. Now we are solving the yellow cross. There are 3 different starting points, but the algorithm is always the same. If you have only the centerpiece, it doesn't care how you hold the cube. If you have an L, rotate it to the left. And do you have a bar? Hold the cube so that you have a horizontal bar. Maybe there are more yellow pieces, but don't care about these. And now we're doing the following. Front, right, up, right, up, front. If you have only the center, you need 3 reps. For the L, 2, and with the bar 1 rep of the algorithm. Step 5. Solving the yellow side. If you have no yellow corner on the top, rotate the upper layer that the left piece is not yellow. If you have 1 yellow corner, move it to the left bottom. If you have 2 yellow corners, rotate the upper layer, the left piece is yellow. Now repeating the algorithm 1 or twice for solve the yellow side. Right, up, right, up, right, up, up, right. Step 6. Solving the corners. Look to the upper layer. If you see headlights, turn them to the right side. Headlights are two corners with the same color on one side. Sometimes you have no headlights, so do also the algorithm and search then for the headlights. Front, left, front, right, right, front, left, front, right, right, front, front. You are finished with the step when you have headlights at each side. Step 7. That is the last step. You have 4 headlights and maybe one side is completely finished. If you have a finished side, put it in the back face and do the algorithm. If you have null full side, it doesn't care how you hold the cube. Left, up, left, up, left, up, left, up, left, up, left, left. Sometimes you need more than one rep to solve the edges. Congratulations, you solved the cube. See you in the next video. Mike out.